Welcome back to the Market Update Desk Studio. We are back in the office today, December 15th. We are still sitting in the euphoria of the last couple days with the unbelievable benefit that we got from Fed Chair Powell's speech and Q&A after the Fed decision. So we kept a run up that has only happened one or two times that I can remember in the last 27, 28 years in this business. So it was historical what happened the last 2 days. So we had Fed Chair Powell come out and be very much dovish than what we could have ever forecasted. Now, we did have a counterweight this morning. New York Fed President Willaims, who's always a voting member on the Fed, came out and kind of went on the hawkish side of it, poured some water on the statements of looking for decreases and left the door open to a possible increase. So I think this was a pre-planned counterweight to what Chair Powell spoke about on Wednesday. They saw the market react so incredibly that they wanted to put a little bit of water on that. So the market was down this morning, but the bond market, mortgage-backed securities have shrugged it off, and they're looking at data versus speeches, which is fantastic news. One thing that came in today was the Cass Freight Shipping Index, and that did fall by 4.7%. So we're seeing shipping costs go down. A lot of that is attributed to lower oil prices. Now, what's interesting is because the market is expecting some rate cuts, we've seen a decrease in the 10-year bond. Correspondingly, the dollar has gone down in the last couple of days, and that has led to a little bit of a bump in oil because oil's denomination is always the US dollar. So we're watching that close and seeing what that's going to do. Next week, we got another big week, which all of our buyers may really, really benefit from. We've got the NAHB builders starts permits, completions, along with new home sales. We've got an important 20-year bond auction. We've got final Q3 reading coming out, jobless claims. And then Friday, the big one is PCE, personal consumption expenditure. If it comes in like the previous inflation readings this last week come in, we could break through the new resistance level that we have on the 10-year bond and mortgage-backed security and have a nice additional benefit. So the Christmas presents still may be coming to everybody. There's a chance if we get solid inflation numbers on the PCE report, we could get to anywhere from 3.4 to 3.85 on the 10-year Treasury. Right now, we're sitting at 3.93. We're down 1 basis point on that today. And we could see a significant betterment to mortgage rates. We're sitting in the mid to 6.75 right now. If we look at this next Friday, we could be on the low side of 6%. We might even be talking in the fives. Wouldn't that be fantastic? So give us a call this weekend. Get out there and start buying. Home buyers, get out there, start shopping this weekend. If this market goes where we think it's going to go, you are going to be part of the tsunami coming into home buying season versus on top of the wave. Give us a call, 616-293-2189. We look forward to helping you, and the phone is on all weekend. We'll be working on pre-approvals, running numbers for everybody, and helping them. Take care. Have a great weekend.